Welcome, folks, to week 4 of the class. It is September 13th. I'm here with Professor Dayton, coming live to you from Des Moines, Iowa. And I'm here in the law library. Just kidding, I'm stuck at home where I've been for 18 months. This week, we are going to go into business ethics, which is very important. Because if you lack ethics in business, you will tend to lose your job and or worse. Along with this is the ethics essay, which we have posted to Icon this past week. And I think this will be an interesting challenge for you to write. So we want you to read 3 articles. There is one kind of general article about facial recognition technology and its use in stadiums. And then there are sort of pro and con articles on the use of this technology, on the ethics of it. All right. And so I want you to read those 3 articles, and then there is a prompt. And we ask you to answer a hypothetical question about the use of this technology at a hypothetical and completely fictional university. I'm not aware of any impending use of this at any universities in this way, but you can see why it might happen. And then we give you some guidelines for the structure and the format of the essay. One of the nice things about this essay is that you can actually win money if you have one of the top 3 essays, and that is pretty cool. You don't see that very often. We're also asking you to watch, or more likely read, the transcript of Joseph Badaracco, Harvard professor's Defining Moments. And so there are instructions on the prompt on how to access that video. If you're able to play it, it's a flash video, which is an older format, or you can read the transcript of it. Okay, so that essay is due on September 30th. In the meantime, if you have questions, you can come to office hours, and the Frank Center will also have appointments available both in person and virtually. Professor Dayton, do you have anything to add to edify these students in their week 4 experience?
I would say the money-making aspect piece is also in the assignment, so you can see it right there. If you're interested in that piece. There's a great movie about business ethics that you might check out. It's called Billy Madison. If you haven't seen that, that's an important very important cultural movie, and you might watch that to learn more.
That's part of the canon. And I should also mention, if you enjoy ethics, or if you hate ethics, a really good show that Professor Dayton turned me on to is called The Good Place. It's on Netflix. 4 seasons. It follows the adventures of a moral philosophy professor who sometimes reminds me of me. And you can see a live demonstration of the trolley problem with actual people. So that is worth a watch as well. All right, folks.
That's all I got for this week.
That's all I got for this week, too. Have a good week. Stay safe, and we will see you next week.